I wanted to create a lot of images of fantasy characters for a D&D game I plan to run, so I created a way to automatically generate these for myself on my own computer using some free AI tools. This video will cover the installation, configuration, and execution of the LCM generative AI tool using Pinokio. Watch to the end for information about how to remove the safety checking so you can generate images without clothing if you want. I wanted to be able to ask for a female elf bard and have it generate a particular character and then give me a bunch of images that I could then choose the best ones from. So, ultimately my system first comes up with a concept like petite, ugly female elf warlock with electric lavender eyes, a eloquent mouth, a straight nose, and wavy blonde hair wearing a tapered coral ornate waistcoat, black ragged woolen leggings, and black felted boots, and then generates a bunch of images from that concept. In this video, we will cover the basics of how to install, configure, and use an AI text-to-image generator on your own PC. Why generate images on your own computer rather than online? For me, the main reason is the arbitrary censorship of the online image generators. You don't want your evil villain to look like a K-pop star? Well, Microsoft Copilot will tell you that generating an ugly guy is against their content policy. Do you want a character with alluring eyes? Well, I once had an online image generator refuse to make that for me. The main problem is that these rules they have put in place are limits on our artistic vision. Maybe you want a world with ugly villains or heroes with notable flaws. Maybe you want to generate an image of one of the 4 famous beauties, Hishu, without the image generator stopping you, because it banned creating any images with the word Ji to placate a politician. So let's get started. To begin with, you can download Pinokio from the Pinokio.computer website. Pinokio is a browser that lets you install, run, and automate any AI application and model automatically and effortlessly. They support PC, Mac, and Linux. Once you have installed it, run it and click the Discover button. Then in the search bar, put in LCM and hit Return. Click on LCM, then press the Download button. Then keep the default name and click Download again. After it is downloaded, you will see the option to install it. Just click the Install button. It takes a long time to install as it has to download the AI model. After it has installed, click the Run button. It will give you a text entry box to type a prompt. Type anything you want to create a picture of, like female gnome barbarian, and press the Done button. When it is done, if you click on the App folder, and then the Output folder, you will see the image it created there. Also at the top, there is the full path of the current folder. If you click on that, it will open a file explorer. You can configure some options by editing the run.json file. Clicking on it will bring up an editor, where you can edit the width and height in pixels of the created image as well as the steps. More steps is better quality but slower. I use 16 for steps and 500 for width and height. If you generate enough images sooner or later, you will notice some of the images just come up all black. This is the safety model trying to protect you from your own artistic vision. I have created a Python script called fix.py that can solve this. I will put a link to it in the description of the video. To use the script, put it in the top-level folder, then get a terminal or command prompt or shell in that directory and run python fix.py. The script will go through and disable all the safety checks. It takes a few minutes to run. Then the next time you run LCM, it will allow you to generate uncensored pictures. The script also works to uncensor the Let-It-Spl+ tool. If there is some other tool that can be installed with Pinokio that you want to uncensor, let me know and I will take a look at it, or try running the script on it first. Let me know in the comments if you would like more information about how I figured out how to do the script in the first place. Also, let me know if you would like to set up my full NPC generation script. I make a future video about that.